This is attorney Zhang-Louie checking in again to give you guys another session of EB2 National Interest Waiver. And it occurred to me from our couple of previous sessions that I talk a lot about EB2 NIWs. It is our specialty. I should probably take back a step and go into exactly why this category of immigrant visas and way to U.S. permanent residence is so special. So let's start from the beginning. We will go through the policy manual, volume 6, part F, chapter 5, advanced degree or exceptional ability. Traditionally, EB2, the employment-based second preference category, normally requires a job offer and going through the Department of Labor's permanent electronic registration management system to certify that, to get a labor certification that we went through the recruitment process and that there's not qualified and able U.S. workers that are available to fill the specific position. However, if the foreign national self-petitioner without an employer is able to show that he or she will be able to work in the U.S. national interest, you kind of waive all that. You waive needing the requirement of having an employer's job offer to come into the U.S. And national interest waiver, we'll go into more of that in a later session because it is a very broad category. It's subject to discretion, but we've had 100% success rate to determine, hey, to show USCIS, hey, the specific issue should be in the U.S. national interest. But first, let's go into the qualifications here. How do you qualify to be in the EB2 category, which is an advanced degree professional? Well, first, what we want to look at is that the beneficiary has a U.S. master's degree or higher, or a foreign degree evaluated to be equivalent of a U.S. master's degree. This means that if you had received a degree in a foreign institution, an international university, we would need to have a qualified degree evaluation certificate to qualify for this category. And this is where we've done, where a law firm can really add value, or if the foreign national has a U.S. bachelor's degree or a foreign equivalent, plus 5 years of progressive post-degree work. So a lot of people sees the advanced degree professionals and they're like, oh, I don't have a master's degree. Do I qualify? If you have a bachelor's degree and you can show 5 years of work, you absolutely qualify for this category. And then the other way to qualify for this category is what's called an exceptional ability. We've done a couple cases where even if you do not have a bachelor's degree, we've done a lot of cases where even if you do not have a bachelor's degree and you don't have the 5 years of experience and you don't have a master's degree, you can still qualify based on exceptional ability through meeting 3 out of the 6 criteria. It's actually fairly easy. It's exceptional ability is the standard, not extraordinary ability like the EB1A section. So once you meet these, you qualify for the EB2 category. And then the national interest waiver of the job offer requirement depends on a lot of issues that we'll cover in the next session. That's it for today. If you had enjoyed, how you can qualify for the EB2 category, please subscribe and follow me, and we will go into the national interest waiver in a subsequent session.